Alrighty, Isabella, it's good to see you. Thank you for asking for help. If you remember, when you have a mixed number which looks like this, right? You need to make sure that you change it to an improper fraction. We're still going to be adding, but that was the times plus method. I'm going to review over here with the big numbers. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep this 2, right? And then you're going to multiply here. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Then you're going to add up here, plus 1 equals 5. So this actually becomes 5 over 2. And then we're going to do the same times plus method here, right? Keep the 4. So 4 times 3 equals 12, plus 1 is 13. Then we need to find a common denominator. We need to find which number does 2 and 4 become. So if we do our times tables, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, we know that both can become a 4. Well, it's kind of nice. This one over here is already 13 over 4. And what do we do to get this 2 to become a 4? Well, we multiplied it by 2. So we're going to bring this down, multiplying both parts by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. And then you can add straight across. I'm going to end up with something over 4. We have 10 4s and 13 4s. That's 23. Right? But remember, you can't have an improper fraction, so you have to come over here. Let's see if it'll let me move the page a little bit. Can I pinch? No. All right, here we go. Move over here. And so then we want to take this number and we're going to put the 23 inside here, the 4 outside. How many 4s can go into 23? Well, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is too many, so we can say at least 5. And that's 20. That means we're left with 3. So we'd have 5 wholes and then 3 parts of 4 left over. Something like that. Let me know if this is helpful. Hopefully it's something you can use for other problems. But this is the best I can do. Thanks, Isabella.